Hello. Today I am discussing about the state management in Angular. The state management in Angular. State management in Angular is a very essential and important thing. And now I am discussed about the state management in theoretical. So what is that? The NgRx we all are knowing what is the NgRx. NgRx is a library that provides us many types of operations. Then in the NgRx it makes us easy to implement some new things in our projects and everywhere. So NgRx is one of the libraries used for the application state management. It is a Redux implementation for Angular. So now I am talking about the application state. What is the application state? It is the entire memory of the application, but typically it is the data received via API calls, user input and presentation UI state. So when and why we are using the state management in Angular? Sometimes user wants that some, let's for as example, name, role, state, city, zip is in a form, and when we submit when we fill up the form and submit them, or when submit that, we in every project we implement that state management, and we can hold the variable and store into the database. So how it work? We can call an endpoint, an API call REST API, and then it stored all the data into the database, and we can fetch the data by a REST API call. Then we can present the data into the UI presentation, UI state. So it is a time consuming process. That's why sometimes the user wants that the data are stored, data are view, and when we add view, this is the process. Sometimes it wants the user. So how we can implement this? In state management, enter here. So state management is we can achieve this through the state management. The state management we are already known about the observable. The observable has stored the data in the local storage, then it is displayed into the UI state all the stored data. Using the observable we can achieve the state management and also the user requirements and user needs. And another way we can use the state management is ng changes in input output operator. We can use to achieve the state management in Angular, and user requirement or wants, needs. So in state management there are several types of components, or the components are there. First one is a store. What is the store and what the stored, how it works? The stored is what holds the app state. And next one is the action. What is action and how it works? Action, a unique event dispatched from the components and services that describe how the state should be changed. What is that? We create a form, and this form is contain 4 fields. We can add, edit, delete in these forms. These all the things are achieved. All the things are named like action, and next stage is reduction. What is the reducer and how it works? The reducer, all the state changes happen inside the reducer. It responds to the action, and based that action, it will create a new immutability state and return it to the store. And next one is selector. Selector is a function used for obtaining a part of the state from the store. And the last one is a effect. What is the effect and how it works? In effect, mechanism that listens for dispatched action in an observable stream and processes that server response and returns a new actions either immediately or asynchronously to the reducer to change the state. And so hope that it makes sense. The state management it works, which I told you guys. To implement the state management in Angola, we can follow the link that is here. These all the steps are written in the Angola project. That's it is a way to implement the state management in Angola. Hope that would make sense. Thank you.